This year's theme for Mental Health Week is loneliness. Loneliness affects so many of us across the UK, both from a physical and mental health perspective, particularly because of the impact of the pandemic. I certainly felt the lack of social interaction impact on my physical and mental well-being, and I know from speaking to lots of other people, this is still a silent epidemic that we're fighting, both in work and out of work, and we can all play a part in creating a more connected workplace and community. The starting point for Mental Health Awareness Week, which is the 9th to the 15th of May, is really looking at what can you do to raise awareness around mental health in the workplace. Now, one of the really good websites that's helpful with lots of ideas and resources really that you can use is the Mental Health Foundation. On there it talks about the theme for this year and actually how they founded Mental Health Awareness Week over 21 years ago. For those of you who don't know what This Is Me is, this is a national business-led campaign run by a load of volunteers, me being one of them. I'm the chair up here in Yorkshire. This is our website. You can see how to get involved if you are a Yorkshire-based business and wanting to get involved in This Is Me. Absolutely free to do that, and there's loads of amazing resources on the website once you sign up that will be emailed to you as well, including a guide on how to create your own This Is Me story. So This Is Me is set up in three distinct areas. One is around storytelling, so encouraging individuals to raise awareness through storytelling of mental health problems. So during Mental Health Week, we can ask people to connect with colleagues and share their experiences around loneliness, whether that's in a blog or in a story, on a video or a podcast, for example. The other area of the This Is Me campaign is the Green Ribbon Appeal, which is similar to that of the Mental Health Foundation. You can actually turn your social media green and get green ribbon banners and virtual banners to hashtag end the stigma for everyone everywhere. The virtual resources can all be found via the hub. However, you can purchase the biodegradable green ribbons to wear physically in the office and obviously outside of work as well here. If you are going to use green ribbons, it's a really great way to get the conversation going about mental health. So get employees to share photos of themselves wearing the green ribbons, get them to turn their social media green, get them to put virtual ribbons on their social media profile pictures, and ask them to use the hashtag end the stigma and then hashtag MHAW2022. So the other area of the This Is Me campaign is around workplace upskilling and support. So the Samaritans have partnered with This Is Me and created a workplace wellbeing hub. So you can access all of that for free as a This Is Me subscriber. So please do subscribe to This Is Me. Get your organisation talking about mental health, sharing experiences and having visible signs, including the green ribbons, both on social and in person, to support this amazing initiative. Finally, when it comes to This Is Me, we're super excited because we've just launched our This Is Me Resource Hub, which houses all of the resources you need to implement any stage of your This Is Me campaign. So it's a one-stop shop really for all of those amazing resources that I've just spoken about. As a registered member of This Is Me, you should then receive a unique login and password to that hub. Just check it hasn't gone into your spam folder because we know what these things are like, but essentially you should have everything there to access all of these incredible resources for next week. And as I said, it's completely free, so do get involved. Finally, if you're not already involved in a Mindful Employer, this is a national initiative supporting employers to get a really proactive and positive approach towards mental health in the workplace. So what you can do is you can sign the Mindful Employer Charter by visiting their website. You can make a public declaration of your ambition, of your organisation's ambition, to really support the ambition of mental health being a priority for your staff. And you can actually add the tick onto your website. There's a little downloadable logo that you can add onto your website to say, I'm a mindful employer. You can also add this to your email footer as well. Recent evidence has also shown a significant return on investment of £5 for every £1 spent on mental health for your team. Fundamentally, it pays to be positive about mental health, of course it does, but we also know that staff who feel happy at work are likely to be more motivated, more productive, more loyal, less likely to be struggling with absenteeism and presenteeism. They're also likely to be much happier at home with their families and in their community, so the ripple effect is profound. So if you haven't planned anything for Mental Health Week yet, hopefully these initiatives are really helpful, but even if you have, check these organisations out, these three organisations. In particular, there's a one 5 final thing I want you guys to have a look at. You can see on the Mindful Employer website, they have a 10 steps toolkit. You can see all of the 10 steps, and you can click within each of those steps. You can focus on engagement first, education. You can then look at embedding, or if you're partway through, you can join at any stage. But this is a really great tool for organisations to use. It's free to use. You can access it via the link in the comments. And please do let me know what you guys are doing for Mental Health Awareness Week, and whether you're considering doing any more subsequently, not just having it as a one-off once a year for Mental Health Week. Talk to me about if you're doing mental health first aid training or any other training. Let's share best practice about what we've done, what's worked well when it comes to mental health in the workplace. I hope this has been helpful. Please, as always, like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you guys back here very, very soon.